Hi guys, if you want to move your Windows 11 Start menu to left side like this, then let's see how to do it. To move your Start menu from center to left, first of all right click on the taskbar and then click on taskbar settings. Now here scroll down and click on taskbar behavior option. And now here from the taskbar alignment, simply click here and select the option left. And now your Start menu will be moved from center to left. You can see everything is in the left side now. So from the taskbar alignment, you can choose whether you want to keep your Start menu in the center or in the left. That's it guys. This is how you can easily move a Start menu in Windows 11 from center to left. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.